Today, we kickstart a new topic in our manufacturing series. Let's talk about automated control. Automated control is the usage of software and technologies to automate processes, whether in the manufacturing process or in everyday's life, such as traffic lights and ATM machines. The purpose of automated control is to regulate a manufacturing process, is to improve on it by ensuring accuracy, consistency, and the capacity to repeat the process over and over again and getting the same result and the same output. But also, it is important, in certain situations, humans executing certain processes are found in unergonomic situations, and therefore automated control becomes essential. So, the advantages of automated control: consistency, efficiency, accuracy, and sometimes safety. And that's what automated control is.